Difference between Lofi and Phonk. Lofi and Phonk are two distinct music genres that have gained popularity online, especially among younger audiences, but they differ in style, origin, and mood. Lofi, short for low fidelity, is known for its relaxed, mellow, and nostalgic sound. It often includes soft beats, ambient background noise like vinyl crackle or rain, and jazz or soul samples. Lofi music is usually instrumental and is widely used for studying, relaxing, or sleeping due to its calming effect. The genre emphasizes simplicity and emotional atmosphere over complex production. Phonk, in contrast, is a genre influenced by 1990s Southern hip-hop, particularly from Memphis, Tennessee. It features distorted bass lines, chopped and screwed vocals, and dark, gritty samples from old rap songs or horror movies. Phonk has a harder, more aggressive tone and is often used for workout playlists, driving, or energetic settings. There's also a modern variation known as drift phonk, popular in car culture and social media videos. In summary, Lofi is chill, smooth, and soothing, while Phonk is raw, energetic, and rooted in vintage hip-hop vibes. Each creates a unique mood and caters to different listening experiences. Thanks for watching. For more such informative videos, subscribe our channel and like the video. See you next time.